Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia, Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show y'all how I installed these butterfly locks within only 2 hours. So if you want to see how I did this cute little fun bob butterfly lock hairstyle, keep watching. Well, shout out to Amazon company GetGal Hair. GetGal Hair. It's hard saying that, but GetGal Hair for providing me with this hair. And this pack, it comes with 6 packs of hair. So this is the hair out the pack. Has an ombre look at the bottom, the light brown color. I'll leave the exact color and everything down in the description box below, and also I'll probably put it on the screen right here. So cute. Also in the pack, it comes with the crochet needle, 2 hair clips, and some little hair accessories. My hair is already cornrowed. I have a video showing this exact braid pattern that I use when I do crochet hairstyles. I'll leave that video right here, the link to that one. So let's get started. So the hair is so thick, I could just open the top loop and pull it straight through, and ta-da! It's done. So I knew it was gonna be bob length, but I thought a little bit longer. In the big bag, it's individual bags of hair, and it came with 6 of them. And each individual bag is 12 crochet butterfly locks. For the individual hair that I left out in the front, I'm going to show you how I do those. I don't do crochets. I tried it one time doing crochet over my whole head, like cornrow and everything, and not leaving any out in the front. And oh no, I did not like I did not like how that looked. I do have a large forehead, which I'm not insecure about or anything. I like my head, but it didn't look good. Anyway, if you saw, I just crocheted my hair back into my hair. So take the crochet needle, stick it through top part, put it in here, fold it, and pull the end of your hair out. So now my hair is short. Grab one of the butterfly locks and start to unravel it. Oh, this one want to act like you don't want to unravel because it's on camera. Anyway, so I start to unravel it, starting at the bottom. Just pull the hair apart. There you go. So this is how the hair looks. This bottom is acting real silly. So it has 2 pieces. This hair is real smooth. It's like this hair is like braiding hair. Smooth, and this hair is a little more kinkier, maybe because it was twisted around. But anyway, so I'll fold it over top of each other, crochet it through, both pieces at once. In the shorter section, I'm going to pull out. So this is the longest piece, so I'm going to make it as long as I want the lock to be. So I want it to be maybe right there. Take the shorter pieces. Kind of do the same. I want it to be the shorter piece as long as the other short piece. I don't know if that makes sense, but just watch. Grab my hair along with the length of the lock section and start twisting around with the longer piece. I use the thumb method when I want to make the lock, make it a little raggedy, so I hold my thumb in between, pull the hair tightly under my thumb, and it causes this little butterfly effect. Since the end of this hair has a little knot, try to just clip that piece off and keep twisting. So when I get to the end, the hair that's hanging, I want to take some of that, fold it over, and take the hair that I was twisting all the way down with and twist it back up. I'm going to show one more time how I install the single individual butterfly lock in the front. So I'm done. Took me 2 hours to do this hairstyle. Not long at all. I really like the length. Bob length is so cute. I love the color of the hair. And even the hair that I did in the front, the individual, still has the ombre at the bottom. It's so cute. I like the color. It's so pretty. It's easy to install. It's not heavy. I'm not going to say it's real lightweight, but it's not that heavy at all. I used 5 bags. It came with 6 in the pack. All I used was 5 packs. Tell me what y'all think. Do you like this? Have y'all tried butterfly locks yet? If so, did you like them? Did you do the crochet method like these, or did you do the one where you had to wrap yourself? I did both ways. I want to say maybe this way I like better because it didn't take as long to install. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you will be notified when I post a new video. As always, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.